going on, guys? Junior with S.O.T Metalworks. Hope you folks are doing fine out there in YouTube land. But yeah, we're back with you another video. And what we got going on today? Well, you know, you just never know. It's always something. But in all honesty, the new sister has said, hey, I need a sign. I said, well, that's cool. What you want? Well, I'm not sure. Oh, well, what color should that be? Well, I'm not sure. What size you think you're looking for? Well, I'm not sure. So, all in all, she sent me a couple pictures. I still didn't get a whole lot of information out of her. So we're just gonna go with something. So that's just how it goes with family. You just kind of wing it. You just, you know, they're not happy. You can fix it later. It's fine. It's fine. Not really, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine. All right, so let's get over here on the CNC plasma table. We'll figure out what color we're gonna paint it. We'll just wing it, see what happens. But I think we're gonna cut her out a turtle. She kind of sent us a picture of a turtle. Found a pretty cool one. This one may be something we can put on our website later and stuff like that. So she'll get the first one. We'll get it hand painted with some spray paint and see how it turns out. So let's get on the plasma table and see what happens. All right, so you guys seen the cutting of the old sea turtle there. So got a couple spots I'm gonna go back and fix, but that's a good thing about doing an initiative. Got one right here I don't like. You guys can see how it kind of broke out there a little bit. Had the old lead in, lead out kind of a little bit off, but yeah, sea turtle. Now I think I have figured out what color we're gonna go with here. So let's get this on the table over here, get it a little cleaned up, make it look all nice and shiny and the whole 9 yards, and get after it. Hey, just quick reference. If you guys are not using this pickled in oil and you have a CNC plasma table, I definitely recommend this stuff. A little more prep work when it comes to painting and things like that, but the pickled P&O metal, pickled and oiled, really does a good job. Seems like it cuts pretty good on the table, not as much slag and stuff like that. So, well, we're gonna see it shine up here in just a minute as soon as we get the wire wheel on it. All right, enough talking. Let's get to work. Sister's waiting on me. Safety first. right, ladies and gents, here we are back in here on the good old Sea Turtle. So yeah, haven't exactly figured out what I want to do here. I think I know. We're gonna go with the little metallic colors. I'm just gonna kind of go with it, see what happens. I'm just gonna try to dress this up a little bit to where it's something a little different. We haven't done this one before, so bear with me. Don't know that these colors are gonna turn out the way we want them to, or the way I want them to, but the customer did not specify colorage at this time, so we're just gonna kind of go with it. All right, got that color on there. Let's get this other color, see what happens. Okay, so we got the metallic yellow on there. I've been back and forth on colors 2 or 3 times here trying to figure out what I want to do, but I think we're going to go with some green here. I think this should highlight it good. I think the yellow is kind of what the highlights was. But yeah, see what we can make this look like. Not sure. You guys cross your fingers. Hope this one turns out okay. Not looking too shabby, I don't think. I think it looks okay. Sure, you guys are gonna leave me a comment down there and let me know if it don't look good. I was back and forth on blue, but I was like, you know what? See a lot of green turtles. We're gonna go with green. And I think that was the right move, but when you're painting these one-offs like this, you just never know. Never know what it's going to turn out like. Looks a little cloudy right now, but I'm sure that's going to change. But yeah, let's let that dry. See if I need another coat, and we'll see how she looks here in just a little bit. What do you think? Not too shabby. Leave me a comment down there below. Blue instead of the green. All blue. What colors would you guys went with? We got blue, silver, purple, bronze. Bronze would have looked okay. The copperish bronze looking color. Of course, we got red and stuff like that, but blue, green. The bronze color would look good. Might have to do one like blue and bronze or something. But yeah. All right. Let's just get dried up and we'll see what we got. But yeah, the swimming sea turtle in metallic, I think it's not a bad deal. It's a pretty good sign. Probably turtles seem to go really, really well at some of these events and setups and stuff we do. We don't do very many of those, but pumpkin time, Christmas time, stuff like that, people are really looking to get to the beach, and I don't know, sea turtles seem to always be on their brain. So always turns out to be a really good seller. But now we've got this pattern on the table, stuff like that. We can size it to anybody's needs. We can personalize it. We can, do many, many things. So it works out pretty good. All right, shout out to the sister. Hope she likes this one because, man, I worked hard on this joker. All right, guys, we're going to cut on out of here. If you guys need anything, look at SOTmetalworks.com. Check it out. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, this turtle will be on there. I don't know. Got a lot of other work to do, so don't know when it's going to get put on there. But, yeah. So, you guys make sure you stay safe out there. And as always, remember, make $1, work harder, not smarter. What? No, work smarter, not harder. Make $1, work smarter, not harder. You know what the heck I mean. All right, we'll catch y'all later.